This is the New Mexico Police Department activating the Amber Alert system. We have received important information regarding a child abduction in New Mexico. A child has been abducted from the town of Deming and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Dante Suarez. He is a 12-year-old Hispanic male, 4 feet 6 inches tall, 110 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing a white tank top, black shorts, black sandals, and black glasses. Authorities believe the child may be in the company of Lisa Maldonado, a 37-year-old Hispanic female. They may be traveling with an unknown Hispanic passenger in a black 2018 Chevrolet Malibu bearing New Mexico license plate KLC 521. If you have any information regarding this abduction, please call 911 immediately.